Safety, reliability, regulatory compliance, and a relentless commitment to quality. These are the things that are vital to the successful commercialization of your laser-based medical device. The same qualities that make Cogmedix the right medical device manufacturing partner for you. Cogmedix is a global leader in manufacturing all classes of optical and laser-based medical devices for innovators in the surgical, aesthetic, ophthalmic, and dental industries. Our team consists of highly trained laser-centric personnel with vast knowledge of safety and handling protocols and the latest advancements in laser technology. From Class 1 to Class 4, YAG to Alexandrite, our diversification runs deep. Cogmedix facilities contain dedicated laser-safe labs, certified safety officers, and a comprehensive suite of tools and handling equipment to ensure successful installation and validation of your custom laser. When it comes to choosing a partner to commercialize your laser-based medical device, think Cogmedix. Safe, reliable, experienced, compliant. Cogmedix, medical technology brought to life.